What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trust and Chess episode. What is this? We're on episode 30 now. So, welcome back. Today is Thursday, November 4th, and we're about to get right on into it. So, let's get the screen up. Probably gonna have to fix my webcam real quick. Yeah, I am. There, I got it though. Hold on, let me get my blanket. It's cold, Bruce. It's cold. But now I woke up low-key a little bit late today, but nonetheless, we about to get right on into this video. We have 570 subscribers. We should hit most likely 600 maybe by next week. That would be good. That would be really good. But nah, it's around 8:40 right now, so it is a little bit late. So I did wake up a little bit late today, but nonetheless, I'm still going to stream, and we're gonna see what we could get ourselves into. If anything, I'll just wait till 9:30 to look for a trade opportunity. If I don't see it, then it is what it is. Okay. Looking for possible trade scenarios right now, based off of what I see. Right now, the only scenario I would possibly be looking for is possibly anything short side. But let's mark up. Is that a bug? The fuck? Let's mark up the previous day's high. We're gonna mark up the previous day's low. And as of right now, the previous day's high looks way more likely to be taken. So we're gonna keep that in mind because we're very far away from the previous day's low. Even though it's a possibility we could take this, just understand that it's very unlikely. We also have a lot of fair value gaps in between this price area. So instead of doing that, a lot of little markups, I'm gonna do this just to show that there is a fair value. This is a liquidity void right here. So eventually, at some point, we're going to expect the price to try to have a retracement of this area. So we're gonna keep that in mind. And ideally right now, I would personally be looking more on the short side. But I'm also, don't forget to put the 12 a.m. open. So ideally right now, if I was looking to go short, I would ideally be trying to go short in or around this area up here at this 1 hour order block, which is above this overall 12 a.m. open in our fib areas also. And as you can see, this is that reaction area we're slowly getting into right here, going into 9 o'clock, 9:30. So personally, what I'm looking to do as of right now, I'm more on the short side as of right now, just based off of everything that's going on. Let me also pull this fib. We also look to create the high of the day so far at 4:15 in the morning. And then down here 2 in the morning, we kind of just created these lows. But as of right now, doesn't look like much really happened. It's a lot of consolidation. Let me just put this here. Just like that. Previous high. So ideally right now, I'll be more on the short side, if anything. But until I see anything else, I'm going to just continue to wait, because I have no reason to rush into a trade. I already woke up late as it is, so I'm not going to be rushing anything. So let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour looks like it's in need of a possible retracement. And we know we have this. If you go to the 8 hour, we'll most likely have this order block. Not even 8 hour, 16 hour. Is that doing a thing? Yeah, 16 hour. And look at this area right here. This is where we're going to be wanting to pay attention to. This 36,000 area. Now back to the 4 hour. Likely 36,000 could be a potential area that we look for that trade scenario. And if we look over here, 36,000 is also at the bottom of this void. So we could be looking for potential shorts to potentially target this area all the way down here. That's ideal. That's ideally what we would be looking to do. So let's mark up 36,000. Just like that. And let's look up for any other price area numbers nearby. There's my alarm. We got 36,200, which is up here. Stop my alarm. Fuck that. Alarm, you did not wake me up this morning. Did not do your job. Oh, I'm still stretching. The first thing I thought was, damn, am I gonna go live today? But always, I got y'all. Personally, I'm gonna hop on the 5-minute and I'm going to be looking for possible entries in price or retracements into this area for me to potentially go short. If I go short, my stop loss is going to be about 30 pips. And I'm going to be having a good target. So 30 pips, my high. My stop loss is going above this high, anticipating this is going to be the high of the day. It wasn't created during lunch session? I don't know. Let's go back to here. Ideally, I want to go short, but at the same time, there is a chance that we could have a buy scenario. But if there is a buy scenario, I most likely don't want to take it because of the fact that I can't buy below this 12 a.m. open unless we start to break down in price. So right now, I'm ideally going to wait for this retracement back to this area right here for me to look for a potential area to sell short. So let's see. We're going to see if we can do it. I'll let you know right when I'm about to enter. Hold on, my MetaTrader open. I'll be ready right as soon as we have to. But yeah, let's also check the daily time frame. See what's going on the daily. Right now, the daily, everything's just bullish. Ideally, if we're looking to go short, we'll be looking to come down here. Now, so far, this daily range is already very short. Nothing much is really happening. So ideally, there's still a high chance that we could still have this drop we're looking for. If we look at NAS 100. Oh, whoa. NAS took off yesterday. I have not looked at it since then. But hold on. Look at the markup, though. Whew, look at that markup. That's different. Right now, NAS has a possibility it could possibly be bullish. Not gonna lie. There's still a chance that NAS 100 could be bullish, so I'm gonna keep that in mind. But the scenario we're looking at on NAS 100 is very different than what we're looking at on US 30. Alright, we got this bullish 1 hour order block. So yeah, right here, yeah, that's all I'm really looking for on NAS, for price to potentially trade lower before going higher. It's ideally what I would be looking for on NAS 100 due to the confirmations. Simple as that. That's what it would look like on NAS 100. But if I'm going off of US 30, I feel as though there is way more opportunity potentially. But something that could also happen for this next session, price could wick down, clear liquidity before then going higher. That's ideally something that could also happen. But what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to go short in around this area with stop loss above, looking to be able to catch expansion to the downside, filling in this liquidity void that we have right here. I could be wrong. Then again, I could be right. I have more reasons to believe we should go short up here than to sell. Alright, if we can push up again one more time, I'm going to sell. I just got into the trade right here. Looking to go short. Like I said, 30 pip stop loss is going right up here. Got our 30 pip stop loss. And ideally, 36,000 is going to be our final target. So this could be a potential 1 to 5 trade if it does play out how we expect it to. So let me update the Telegram. So let's see. Right now I'm in the trade. Stop loss is going to go. I need to move my stop loss. Yeah, let me put the stop loss on my phone and everything. Got in the trade, bought on my thing. We're gonna We're getting a good reaction already. That's what I want to say. We're already up about almost 10 pips. So that's good to see. That's good to see. Let's see what happens. I think there's a good chance that we could still have a deep drop in price. So let's see. We're going to be able to catch this full expansion because we got a pretty good entry with the reaction that we have right now. Price looks like it really could go our way. All right, we're going to see. We're going to see what's good. $30 pip stop loss. So ideally, we have a lot of TPs in place, but we're going to be taking majority of them off at around 1 to 3. So let's just see what happens, boys. We're in the trade. High probability. Majority of our setup is on this side for the trade. Everything's rejecting. Daily is very bought, overbought. So let's just see. We're gonna see what we're able to capitalize on. Let's just see what we could do. Right now, it looks like price really has a willingness to go lower. Had that retracement that we were looking for. So ideally, all the confirmations we had were 12 a.m. We're buying. We're not buying. Selling. I can't spell. Above to 12 a.m. open. Plus, we're at our fib short. Plus 1 hour order block. Plus, we're at the 50% of the Asian range. And if you look at where we are in price, we did kind of tap into 36,200 before we're kind of trading away from it. So ideally, this is what we're looking to do trade-wise. So here, I'm going to show you guys what I would actually put in my journal, personally. So I would go to my journal, go to my trades right here. Today is the 3rd. So, is it the 3rd? No, it's the 4th. US 30. November 4th. I'll put the type of trade I'm looking to take. Honestly, this will be a, is it a London continuation? I would classify this move as London had a push up, but I don't even know how it, I would say London continuation bearish because it's not going to be a reversal scenario. So I'll just put that London continuation bearish. That's ideally what this is. Confirmations I have. We have our fib short. Asian range 50%. We're buying above the 12 a.m. And we are at a 1 hour order block. Time frame we looked at it on, the 15-minute. We were on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. We'll put the risk reward once the trade is done. We have the before screenshot. Then when we're done the trade, we have the after. We'll put notes. Then I'll put the pips I lost or gained, and I'll put the risk reward, and I'll put if this trade was W or L or break even trade. So that's how I mark in my journal for anyone that's wondering. So yeah, let's just see what we can do. Time is money. Time is money, and I got a lot of it. Hold on, let me get my. Yeah, price is slowly pushing, but it's not really doing too much. So I ain't gonna get ahead of myself. We gotta wait. It's only about to be 9 o'clock right now, so we got about 30 minutes till that volume kicks in. So as long as our stop loss is in an area where it shouldn't get hit, we should be good in this trade. But we just gotta pay attention to that 9:30 volatility. Our trade's high probability, so if it goes against us, it is what it is. It's just what it is. Oh, Martin, you in this John too? Oh yeah, you selling? Let's get active, Martin. We about to get lit. Yeah, we dropping right now, slowly but surely. Can I see how many pips I'm up on this? Can't really check on my iPad how many pips I'm up. I could check on my phone though. We're up probably like 10, 20 pips. We are up 10 pips so far. So here, just in case there's more than one trade, I'm gonna have first. Personally waiting for a break below Asian low and retracement. I don't think there'll probably be second trade. So I'll just have first trade for whenever stats get done. Yes, sir. Bread and butter on NASDAQ. If you guys see my bread and butter setup, you know exactly what this is. NASDAQ right now looks like it's rejecting this burger block. Personally, that's what it's looking like right here. US 30 slowly but surely moving lower. It's not really doing the same thing as NAS. Not at all. Well, let's just see what happens, my boys. Let's just see what happens. Ideally, I'm going to be looking to take majority of my profit at 1 to 2. But you never know what happens. Might end up taking that 1 to 1. But we'll see. Not for guys, I'm just getting my TPs set up on my MetaTrader on my phone. Just so it's easier for me to let you guys know what TP 1, 2, 3 and all that shit. Damn, I can't type. And for anyone that's wondering if I'm just typing or talking or just saying things to random people, in my Telegram, a lot of them watch the stream. So if anything, if you just get confused while I'm talking to the computer, majority of the time I'm either talking to someone there or I'm talking to someone in the daily live mentorship, and I don't have their voices shown on the recording because for their privacy and their get their money worth. You guys can't capitalize on the questions they ask and the way I answer them. So that's just what it is. But right now we just gotta wait till 9:30 to let this volume come in. We'll more than likely consolidate till then. But let's see. We got all these equal lows down here that I'm really looking to target. So ideally this would probably be our TP1 right here, this low. Just to get that extra pips worth. But if we do have a retracement, we will be paying attention to it. If we do, it should come back to the same area that we did before. But let's just see what happens. I gotta fix this blanket. Nothing much really happening right now. I'm glad I didn't really wake up early. I would have been in this chart at early. Alright, we comfortable. We comfortable now. Alright. Alright, let's look at this. Yeah, NAS is having this push higher. Didn't really come perfectly to where I was expecting. When is this? But if I pull it from London session, you can see it kind of has that Confluence now. It all depends where you draw fibs at the end of the day. Everything changes. But in this case, I couldn't even draw my fib from anywhere else. I could probably draw my fib from this high. And that's right in here, where prices were having that rejection in this area. Personally, I would just leave it how I have it drawn here. I'll finally take that off. I already know that's there. So I'm gonna just have this just in case it does such a reject. But real quick, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, I'm back. Oh. Sorry, blanket. Looks like we're having a retracement. So we're just gonna have to hold it through. This consolidation is really devious. Crazy consolidation right now. Yeah, the 4 hours is so overbought. There is a chance we could keep flying, but in my eyes, I wouldn't be betting on buying right now. Personally. I know what I'm looking to see. I know what I want to see get happen. I know what I want to see filled. Just gotta wait now. We're in the trade. The worst that can happen is we get stopped out. That's the worst that can happen. Just come down to a smaller time frame. Map out what's going on. Could they be having a retracement back to here? Back to this high. Back to this 1 hour order block. So we'll see. We got to pay attention to what's happening inside of here, because what happens in this area is going to depend whether the price goes higher or goes in our direction. So we just got to watch closely, be patient. Yeah, let's see how this price reacts. Right now we're at break even, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, we just gotta wait till 9:30. Like I said, we still have about 23 minutes, so we still got some time. All right, we're pushing back up. Let's see how we get this reaction. Let's see how price reacts. It's a little rejection, a little bit anticlimactic. Alright, we're rejecting a little bit. Damn, it's 35 degrees. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Bro, it's brick. It's brick. I don't know where y'all are from, but shit. Gotta be better than being right here. Let's go to shit right now. Letting any of it run? Yeah, I'm most likely will let like maybe a small runner, but I wouldn't plan to hold it long term. Taking the whole thing off at 36. I'll probably take majority of it off at 36,000 if we're able to make it to there. Personally, that's just me though. I'd rather hold long term a buy position, not a sell position, and be able to capitalize on the majority of my move caught. Personally, what is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully price doesn't just shoot up out of nowhere. But we'll see. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I gotta try to get this shit. I don't know why my toolbox doesn't show no more over here. Alright. Close at that 1 hour order block is not what I want to see. Personally. Looking to buy after retracement. Nah, if I'm able to catch this full drop, I'm not gonna be taking another trade after that. I don't know what this is doing. Yeah, let's just be safe. Keep our stop loss above those highs, because as long as it's above those highs, we should be good. Well, you never know. Just trust analysis. Just leave it at that. If we get stopped out, we'll look for potential way to get re-entered, but if that doesn't work, well, hey, it is what it is. Can't catch them all. Yeah, with the volume right now, price looks like it wants to continue pushing. We could get this rejection, but I don't know. Let's just pay attention to this candle right here. This 15-minute order block that we have right here. Could have a possible rejection off it again. Because we did reject it 1-2 times. But the third time isn't going to be as likely now. That's the only thing. So let's just see. Watch how price reacts. I want to see a reaction to the downside, but might not get that. I just don't want to get stopped out by volatility at 9:30. So I want to be as far away from my stop loss as possible when the open happens. Price just starts to rush, push up, I'm gonna be sick. Yeah, this is slowly moving. Daily still not looking at like anything. 4 hour, still not looking like anything. 1 hour, nothing much either. 30-minute, nothing much, yeah. Stick to this. Let's just see. I ideally want to see price continue to reject and then just drop a little bit lower. But we will see. Patience is key. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens. I took like 3 break-even trades yesterday, so let's see if we can make it back. Not make it back, but make something.
Man, it's the house I posted last night. I'm buying it, so sent the wire right now. I'm fucking exact crib. You gotta send earnest money to lock it in, man. So it's like, I'm hella excited, man. Like for real, tears almost dropped in my eyes, man. Cause I came all fucked up, man. Be able to buy a multi-million-dollar house. Only is on.
We're slowly rejecting that 1 hour order block. Shows me that there's still willingness to want to drop, but we won't get ahead of ourselves. We'll keep in mind how close we are to stop loss. So until we start to really break these lows right here and start to trade under the 12 a.m. open, there's still a high chance price could continue higher. So just keep that in mind when being this trade.
If you just took off, although they're up like 5% today. So here's the thing: take your shot today, and the shit might fail, right? Because then that day shakes that.
Alright, back to pushing. Alright, yeah, we just gotta be patient, guys. We got 15 more minutes till 9:30. Oh yeah, we're pushing. Oh man, not liking the look of this. I still think we have a willingness to fall, but like I said, there's a lot of chance that 9:30 volume could easily push up higher to drop. If that does happen, I'll be looking to short at 36,200 possibly after we clear this liquidity, anticipating that since we're making the high of the day during the New York session, there'll be a chance of a reversal, and then that will be the trade I look to take if this one isn't play out. And if that second trade doesn't play out and I lose that one, I am done for the day. Simple as that. Those are the only 2 setups I'll be willing to take. This sell setup and then this sell setup. Anything else I'm not personally looking to buy. For one, because I can't buy below the 12 a.m. open, so already my buy setup is invalidated. So we're on the sell side until further notice. Let's just see. We still got 15 minutes, like I said. Patience is key, my boys. Patience is key.
what the business is. Right now I can't explain what the feeling is. You over here down when this shit in. You motherfucking argue with the dope man. Niggas hating on the law, waiting on the shit in. You motherfucking argue with the dope man.
This candle's not doing shit. Candle ain't doing shit. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to do something real quick. I'm gonna still be here. I'm gonna just mute my mic.
And for some reason, the other one disappeared.
What do you mean?
The fucking level lines. I don't know what they're called.
What do you mean they disappeared?
I don't know. It just every time I put the second one, it disappeared. The other one disappeared for some reason.
What do you mean, like this?
Yeah, like you see how you gotta, yeah. Every time I made a new one, the other one disappeared.
What do you mean disappeared? Are you sure? Did you just refresh the app?
I don't even know. I couldn't even do it. My head was hurting too bad. I just went back in bed.
Yeah, I just think he was a little bit fried. Nah, yeah, I was just calling if you was gonna slide to the gym.
Yeah, waiting for this day code to kick in.
Just let me know. I'll probably be done here around 10 o'clock, 10:30 max, but probably won't be that long.
You gonna get on? Actually, I'm probably not gonna get on. The headset gonna hurt.
Maybe later. I don't know. There ain't really much to play. I'll let you know when I'm done. Alright. I was just setting up going to the gym, but right now Price is slowly rejecting again. Slowly but surely. We'll see what happens, man. We got about 9 minutes until 9:30. Chilling at break even right now. We're gonna see what we could do. Come on, Price. Keep on falling. Keep on falling. The fact that it's falling going into 9:30, good sign. Break even, break even, break even, man. Let's just see what happens. This 9:30 candle will tell us everything we need to know. Not type for shit, my boy. That's the one thing I suck at, typing fast and correct.
Just leave this right here. All right, so you guys can see. Just something light, you know, zero losses. I'm gonna do this one time, literally one time. I'm gonna close access to this very soon. You'll be lucky if this is up for 24 hours. Get in while you can. Let's catch these pips. Let's keep winning.
All right, we're moving.
Yeah, if you miss out, that's on you. Doesn't matter to me. I'm just gonna leave this right here. That's it. That's.
Oh, 6 more minutes. This shit going mad slow. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This feel like it's taking forever. Like 5 minutes feels like fucking 15. Not gonna lie, but slowly going our way. But like I said, we just gotta wait. Not until 9:30, because we could still be wrong on this trade, even though it looks like it'll play out. Never get too excited. Never get too excited. But never let your emotions overcome everything. You feel me? We'll see. Right now, we're up about not much. Like a pip, 4 pips. Gotta stretch, my guy. Gotta stretch. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Come on. Let's get that TP1. At TP1, you all should break even if you aren't already. Not aren't already, but you should ideally break even at 1-to-1. Alright, TP1's almost gonna get hit. slowly but surely moving. Come on. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Trying to see what 930 does. But right now, we're getting as far away from our stop loss as possible. So when the market opens in about 1 minute 30 seconds, we'll at least be far away from where we were at before. But yeah, keep on dropping. I'm trying to get TP1 hit before this 930 volume, so you guys can at least break even. Come on, let's get that TP1. Come on. We're up about 20 pips right now. Move this over for you guys to see it. My face skin was in the way. I ain't even realize that. My fault, guys. Come on, get this TP1. Let's get this TP1. Almost there. Tapped right into it, but it didn't come. I'm not gonna count that as TP1 though until it gets passed through. Ooh, swiftly rejecting. I don't know. We're gonna see. Like I said, we got 8 seconds till 9:30. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Be ready to start taking profits because you never know what happens with price at these times. So right now it looks like we're having this rejection. Let's see. We're gonna go all the way to CP1 or we're gonna stop us out. We about to find out. Might reject that 1 hour order block one more time. Or we're gonna continue to push even higher. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know, man. We're gonna see though. I'm holding it. I'm not break even yet because we ain't passed through TP1. Let's see what happens. We could lose this trade still. Let's just have faith. Trust your analysis. That's really all it comes down to. Come on, let's get this TP1. Come on. Get this fucking TP1. Come on. Stop playing. You know you want to drop. Come on, I'm trying to break even. Come on, start dropping, start melting. Start melting. Oh, that's not where I want to see you go. I want to see you go down. Damn, price is playing. But once it breaks these lows, it's out of here. Once it breaks all these lows, it's out of here. We just gotta wait for it to do so. Like I said, just be patient. Like, because I guarantee anyone that's feeling uneasy in this trade, the moment you take profit is gonna be the moment this shit starts to drop. And trust me, that's coming from experience. That shit happens to me way too often. Well, used to. I'll try to stick away from doing that now. Alright, come on. Come on. Hit TP1. Hit TP1. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, now we finna hit it. We finna hit it now. Come on. Or not. Shit, man. I'm gonna just wait till we really get pushed through it. So I'm gonna just go back to playing passenger and just watching. There we go. That's TP1. TP1 hit. Now we're gonna wait for TP2 to start taking some profit. I'm waiting for this TP2. Ideally, you guys should break even your trade right now, if you haven't already. Come on, keep on dropping. Come on, I'm trying to get this TP2. Come on. I told you, once we break these lows, we should be out of here. So unless this is going to be a scenario where price dropped just so it can grab the liquidity to then reverse, then ideally price should continue lower. But that could have been something that does happen. You never know, because creating the low of the day during New York session, there is a high chance that it could end up reversing. We are below, so ideally, but hey, we'll see. I feel there's way more potential on the downside. Like I said, look at the 4 hour and all of that. There's a lot of room for prices to fall, even on the 1 hour. And if you go to also the daily, like I said, nothing much was happening. Right now we're retracing. So ideally, I still think there's a possibility we can just at least come in to fill this candle, which is around 36.75. So we'll see. Just let price do what it got to do. There we go. There's that momentum we're looking for. Come on. That's the momentum we're looking for. Yes, sir. Come on. Let's get this TP2. Let's get this TP2. Come on. Make sure you guys take some profit at this TP2. TP2 just got hit for 60 pips. Trade is broken even. Everything is looking good. Hold on. Make sure my stop loss is in place. Why is my stop loss placing? Alright, just broke even my trade for sure. Come on, Maximo. Don't have these server issues again like you were yesterday. Oh yeah, price is melting. Price is melting. Come on, TP3. TP3, we going for 90 pips. I'm still holding. I haven't taken no partials. I probably should take some partials, but hey, I'm gonna keep on holding. Hold on. Come on. Oh, it rejected this. I ain't peep. Fuck, I should have took some partials right at that 1 to 2. Shit, I forgot that was there. Nah, that's 100% my fault. Damn, that could be bad. That could end up not letting me get this 1 to 2 now. Ooh, damn, that's my fault. That's 100% my fault. Damn, I forgot that this confirmation was here. Bro, I forgot that. That's 100% my fault. I should have taken partials. I shouldn't have been trying to hold. If I would have knew this was here, I would have tried. Damn, bro. I don't know. We might, because for all we know, price could end up, this could be that low of the day now for price to easily just reverse on us. So me not taking partials right there, that could have just finessed me. Personally. But once we get to, if we can get this 1 to 2 again, I'm taking another partial, like I said, because damn, I shouldn't have did that. That's 100% my fault. 100%. Damn. Hey, man, we live and learn. Just hold yourself accountable, because there's no one's fault. But I should have taken profit. Look, I came to TP2, dropped even lower, and I still didn't take a partial. I'm supposed to take partial at TP2. I don't know why I didn't. I was too confident in the trade. Confidence kills, guys. Don't let your ego get you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Damn. Fuck, bro. That's my fault, bro. I should have taken that partial, bro. Because price right now might not even come back to this area where I can get that 1 to 2. Damn. I don't know why I did that, bro. I don't know why I did that. I know there's still a chance I could get this partial, but you never know now. Doesn't mean it's not, like, it already happened. I could have missed my chance of being able to take that partial. Come on. Come on, keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh, man. I fucked up. I want to hold to CP2. Come on, boys. Yeah, I might have fucked up with this one, guys. So, if anything, I'm going to hold this. I'm going to break even. I'm going to just allow this to stop me out at break even if it fully reverses, because that was 100% my fault. I should have taken partials at 1 to 2. I don't know why I didn't. I was on some dumb shit, bro. Look at that. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up getting broke even on this trade, honestly, now. Damn, bro. Why'd I do that, bro? Let my fucking ego get to me. Tried to hold for more. I was being fucking greedy. Fucking rookie mistake, bro. Why did I take it, bro? Why? Well, hopefully you guys were able to capitalize on it. Me personally, I started taking a partial, so. What's playing in the background? It's like ambient music, nothing crazy, just like peaceful music. Cause a lot of the music I used to play before would be copyrighted, so I was just like, yeah, fuck that. Take something now, nah, bro. I only like securing over a certain percentage. If I secure profit now and it does run my way, it's just gonna make everything all weird. It's a system. I break even at 1 to 1. I take partials at 1 to 2, so that all my trades are able to lose and I'm able to have those things. Because if I just go against it, take my profit, and then it goes to my 1 to 2 again, I'm going to be sick. So I'm going to just wait, let it come to my 1 to 2 so I can take that partial again, or I'm going to allow it to break me even. That's what it is. Just got to stick to my system. Even when I go against it, I guess. But at least everyone in the Telegram's able to capitalize. Even if I'm not. I don't know why I did that, birdie. Mad at myself for that one. Not gonna lie. Mad at myself for that one. Damn, I knew I should have taken a partial. I don't know why I didn't, because look at how we're rejecting now, guys. The chance of price breaking me even is so much more likely than me getting TP2 hit. Fucking rookie mistake, bro. Rookie fucking mistake. Well, you witness it live, guys. We all make mistakes, and my mistake cost me a winning trade. Even though I was 100% right on the direction. Let's just hold. Whatever happens, happens. If it stops me out, stops me out. I'm not gonna force nothing. Here's our here's our NAS trade. Look, came close to that 1 hour order block. Came back, rejected this area before pushing higher. Yeah, NAS was nice, not gonna lie. Yeah, NAS was real nice. The daily on USD, there's still so much room for price to fall. That's the only reason I want to hold this still, and I have the confidence to. But like I said, I could still get wicked out. Stop that break even, and it could easily continue to come down lower. That's my only thing. Because I miss easy take profits, bro. I miss easy take profits, bro. Shit makes me mad, bro.
It's a nice party.
Yeah, that shit made me real mad. It's not the fact, it's the fact that I had a winning trade, came to my take profit, came to everything I needed to see to take profit, and I still didn't take profit because I wanted to be greedy and owed the 1 to 3.
It's a nice party. This is crazy. It's a nice party. This is crazy. This is nice. It's nice all the time right there.
I'm more than just an option. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, you got a mariachi fan? Okay, mariachi, huh? You ain't gonna let him in, is you? I was like, nah. Cool.
Jamie, we're doing a lot of great things over here. We just want to know if we can get your.
Yeah, this trade's most likely gonna go against me. The chance of it going my way right now isn't really the highest.
Yo, J-Fox.
I'm gonna just hold it, let it do what it gotta do, man. Yeah, I'm completely content with making nothing on this trade right now. I could easily take 1% off the table, but that's not what I wanted to do. I'm mad at myself for not taking that TP2, so if I lose this trade, it's my fault, and it is what it is. Yeah, this trade will probably still play out. Might not, but for me, I'm personally not going to take profit until I get to this 1 to 2 area. 1 to 1 is better than break even. Yeah, it is, but personally with my rules, if I make a 1 to 1 trade, I could easily lose it again tomorrow. So I'd rather either break even or get that 1 to 2. I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm gonna end it here. Our first trade so far, we were able to get 60 pips in total. Hit 2 TPs. TP3 was 90 pips, didn't get hit. It is what it is. I'm still in this trade. I'm still holding it. I'll show you guys real quick. As you guys can see, it's not working again. As you guys see, I'm still holding this trade. Still could go my way, still could not, but I'm just keeping in mind the higher time frame. Like I said, 4 hours still has a chance to continue falling. 4 hours is still a lot of chance that it could still fall. So I'm just gonna hold it. If I can stop that break even, it is what it is. I should have been taking partials at my 1 to 2 take profit, and that's 100% my fault that I didn't. So until we can get to this 1 to 2 area, I'm either gonna just break even the trade, let the trade break me even, or I'm gonna just continue holding to this 1 to 2. And if I get stopped out, it is what it is. 100% my fault, like I said, because there's still a chance that now we tapped into this, just create the low of the day for price to just continue to then reverse higher. Because if you look at NAS 100, you can see we're making all-time highs. So there is a chance that you said you could follow the same thing. So, hey, it is what it is. We all make mistakes. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes. Hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes. Hopefully you're able to make something. Hopefully you're able to learn something. And if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow.